Morning from up in Old Forge. 14 degrees. Today's December 2nd. This is the day after the snowstorm. Just taking you around town, show you around. We have snow. We got about, I would say, 10 inches to a foot. Maybe Woodgate got a little bit more. Putting up another minute or two video for everybody to see what's going on for a minute. Gotta get back to work. Okay, so like the video, subscribe to my channel. It's free to do, and put in the comments subscribe to your channel, and then I'll subscribe to your channel if you subscribe to mine, and I'll like your videos, watch your videos, and everybody makes their channel grow through sharing. So I mean, it's an idea, but we'll see how it goes. Everybody, I hope everybody has a wonderful and enjoyable day. Stay warm. Tomorrow it's gonna be a -11. Brr.